Hey y'all. So it's been like what, 100 years? Y'all, please forgive me. I have no excuse except to say, what can I say? It's been busy at work. It's been busy at home. It's just been a little overwhelming. But, I always have time to go online and order a little something something. And so, as you saw by the title, I ordered a little something special. Whenever I get my tax return, I always do some sort of little gift. But as I'm entering the retirement ages, I'm not retired yet, you start thinking about putting that money away instead of buying something. So I'm really torn on this bag. I fell in love with it. It's a Ferragamo. And I fell in love with the practicality and the cuteness, and that I know that it's a really nice high-end brand. Hold on, let me get the little. If I can unhook the shoulder strap, just so it's easier. Wow, that's really nice. It's a really nice lock. But it has its shoulder strap. Looks like it's just a plain black shoulder strap. Let me see if there's anything special about it. Looks like it's, is it adjustable? Looks like it's adjustable, yes. Okay, so it's same black leather adjustable shoulder strap. This is a very simple bag. You can see what I fell in love with. I love these little zippers. Y'all may remember years and years ago. What was the brand? Was it Kate Spade or somebody else? No, it was somebody else. I can't remember the name of the brand. But it was teal greens, different shades of greens. And it was this way, and the handles were up here. And every zipper, it had like 4 zippers, was a compartment. I fell in love with it. I thought, okay, it's not my typical neutrals like black, white, beige, whatever. But it is, it's cute, blah, blah, blah. When I got it, the zippers were faux zipper. Only one of them actually worked. So I was like, and it was a lot of money. So I was like, and y'all said, if you don't love it, what, y'all always advise me the same thing. If you don't love it, send it back because it's a lot of money. So this one, I fell in love with the fact that, as you can see, on top, it's 3 zippers. And this is small. I always hold it next to my face so you can see kind of how small it is. This is a small bag, but it's deep. I'd say that's about 7 inches deep, 6 to 7 inches deep. Meaning it may be small, but it's thick, and it's not too tall. Because when you have a tall bag, whatever's from about here up is useless because you're not going to put anything in there. There's just extra space. It's the bottom of the bag that holds your makeup pouches or your cell phones or whatever's in there. So it's like from here down anyway. So that is just, it's perfect for just, on your arm. And then, of course, as your shoulder strap, it's going to hit about right here. I love all the little, it's, that shiny brass. And so it's pretty. And it's just simple. It will go with anything. It's great leather. But the more I thought about it, I was like, I think I'm going to send this back. I can't believe it because I really have been looking for this. I've been looking for a 3-compartment bag, so I need to do some more research on number one that's not so expensive. This is over $2,000. I think it's like 20, somewhere between 2 and 22. It's a lot. It's a lot. I'm starting to realize that more because you're looking at some of my other bags, like my Chanel's or my Prada, and you're like, those are like double that, Beth. Yes, but I am starting to go through my bags and say, which ones am I going to keep because I love them and I use them, and which ones should I sell and get the money in the account, So I'm looking at this. The first thing I noticed is when I went to open this is in the way. It doesn't flop down. This is made to stay up. So you can't go in this way because if you try to zip it, it's going to be in the way. And I'm like, that's a design flaw. You would always have to look down on it and then do like that. So if it's on your hip, that's fine. The second thing was what you just heard, that zipper. It doesn't feel like a good zipper. It's pretty. It's very, very pretty. But it's very rough. It's not smooth. Hear that? I don't know. I think the teeth are too small. I really do. Now, here's the other thing I will tell you that I do love about it. Like I said, I'm having to do it on my lap because the handles are in the way. But I am going to open all 3 compartments and show you that the back one, it's good size. The back one has a zipper pocket and the name, and probably, yep, and then on the back of that Ferragamo name is the serial number. Look, it's faux. Ha! It's definitely going back. That's faux. It's supposed to look like 3, but look, this one, look at that, y'all. It's the same department whether you went from this side or that side. It's one department. So it's actually only 2 departments. There's the other one. Did I miss something here? Oh my gosh, yeah. Yeah, so if I close this up, it's that. But if I open it, there's nothing. It's just a zipper. This is so going back. Oh my gosh. Very disappointing, Ferragamo. Very disappointing. Second design flaw. That should have just been a pocket. How much extra would it have costed them? Because then you go into here. It's nice and big. But there is no zippered pocket. That's why I thought, oh, there's 2 zipper pockets. No. You're looking at the same pocket. What a... Well, that would decide me. Also, when I looked at the bottom, there's no feet on the bottom. When you have a top handle bag, you're going to sit it down. You should always have feet on the bottom. You shouldn't assume this will only come off your shoulder or stay on your shoulder. Because it's got top handles, it should have... I think all handbags should have feet on the bottom to protect it. I love the leather. It's very soft. Smells good. Not as good as something like my... like Fry or my Dooney and Burke. Those are much lower in. I mean, those are in the $200-300 range. This is a $2,000 purse. It should do better. So I guess I just decided me. Anyway, I'm glad you got to unbox it with me anyway, but it's going back. And I'm going to show you in the next video. You'll see me in the same top. I'm going to be showing you some other things that I got recently. I'm glad you were here. That's a no. Love y'all.